guys, welcome back for another plan with me. Today I am planning for Valentine's Day week in my Plum paper weekly overview. I am using another kit from Orange Umbrella Co. It's called Birds. This is another re-release. It was re-released as kit 199. I used it a couple years ago in my vertical priorities. So this was December 2020. That I used this kit. I still had some pieces left, so I just ordered a couple extra pieces to kind of make up the balance of the kit. So it's Valentine's week. I'm not anti-Valentine's Day, but I'm not pro-Valentine's Day either. I'm Valentine's neutral. But I don't generally like Valentine's kits. They're so pink usually, and they're usually too cutesy. So I decided to skip that and go for something a little bit more non-traditional. It still has red and a little pink in it, so it's not uber non-traditional, but it's not all hearts and, cupids and stuff. So, all right. We'll put down our habit tracker. Let's see. I don't have a ton of washi left over, but this layout doesn't require a ton of washi, so that's okay. Try and center it so the birds are. Maybe that's crazy. I don't know. Probably not going to use those leftovers a third time, so don't really need to worry about leftover washi. All right. Cute. And what direction is that supposed to go? Facing down? We'll try it like that. Oh, I have not picked out my books to read. I'll have to, okay. We'll have to think about that. I finally finished Midnight in Chernobyl. Finally. I was actually further along in it than I thought because it was an ebook, so it kept telling me percentage, and I was like, how am I only, the reactor melted down 20% into the book. So I was like, how is there another 80% of this book left? What? But finally I got to halfway, I don't know, 58, 60% of the way through. And it was finally, it finished. And then it was just notes and acknowledgements and references and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, okay, well, that makes more sense. But I really thought I was going to be reading that book for forever. I did finish that last week, and I did finish Mean Girls, which was a super fast, easy read. It was almost word for word what the movie was. So, yeah, that didn't take any time at all. And then I started reading All the Dangerous Things because it came from the library. I had it on hold, which is a new mystery thriller that just got released. And then I forgot I had one more book I need to read for my library challenge. So I stopped the first chapter, after reading the first chapter of All the Dangerous Things, and I started reading One of the Girls. Because I have one more book for that library challenge, which is to read something about an exotic trip. And it's set in the Greek Isles. So, okay, let's see. Let's put down our phone and email stickers. Yeah, that habit tracker is really crooked. Okay, we'll fix that. We will fix that. Phone. Email. The only bad thing is that it peels up all the white out, but I guess as long as you're putting it right back down. Doesn't matter too much. Not horrible, I guess. Okay. All right. And then to clean, let's see. Okay. Books. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me go grab my book stickers that I forgot to pull. Okay, I got my book stickers for my challenge. I picked a book talk recommendation. For that, I picked Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine, which is I've heard good things about, and it's kind of been on my TBR. And then a book with a rabbit on the cover, I'm picking Watership Down, which is I know is probably going to be a hard read for me as far as like it's going to be sad. So I think it's a children's book. I still think it's going to be sad, but yeah. So I'm going to pick like one lighthearted thing I want to read and one that's going to be a bit more, a little harder to read. Okay, so we'll use the red ones. Book stack looks like it's going to fall over. Okay. All right. So that page is done. All right. To-dos. What do I have to do? I went to the post office today. I got my picture taken for my passport. I got that all together and in the mail because I was not able to do the online renewal, which was annoying, but whatever. So hopefully that's on its way. I attempted to file my taxes today. Well, I filed, and then the IRS sent back my federal and said they couldn't accept it for e-file, something about the dependent credit. So I might have to, I can't figure out how to get them to accept it through e-file, so I might have to, yeah, print it out and mail it. So that's annoying, but whatever. It is what it is. Okay, I am going to put down my shift stickers, my date headers, and my weather stickers, and I will be right back. Okay, Tuesday is Valentine's Day. It's actually the only day that I have to work this week. Friday is my Kelly day, so I'm off. And for some reason, I'm not scheduled to work at the hospital, but I might pick up. We'll see. Let's see here. Let's do our meal planning before I forget that again. Maybe I should have ordered extra labels for this. I'm not sure I have. Well, I have most of those. Okay. Yeah. We'll just have to alternate. We just don't have all the same colors. I've already filled out a couple labels for stuff I have to do during the week. So let's use solid colors for meals. And we'll just kind of alternate. So I'll be at work on Tuesday, so no meal planning for that day. Almost right. a lot. That's a lot of blue for that one. Should I do the peach instead? Okay. And then I just picked the neutral gray fork and knife. Six days, 1, 2, 3. Nope, that's 7, can't count. Okay, yeah, 6 days. Kind of like them to all be the same, but that's okay. For 6 days, they weren't all going to be the same label colors, so is what it is. All right, so let's put down work, Valentine's Day, and Kelly Day. I changed up, so my shift stickers I just printed out, instead of having the backdrop label color, I decided I thought I'd try with just the script and see if I like that better in this planner. That maybe it's just a little bit more subtle and doesn't take up as much room. I like having the color to like tie everything together, but I also like things not to look quite so cluttered. Okay, so yeah, Friday is our Kelly Day. So we're off that day. I'm hoping my husband can take that day off as well. Or at least the afternoon. And then Tuesday is our work day. And I have training. Let's see, it's Valentine's Day and I have training that day. Where did I put my, there it is, labels. And where is Valentine's Day? There it is. Okay. Leave this one without a box, maybe. Okay. Monday, I'm having lunch with a mentor slash friend. I was supposed to do that yesterday and he had to reschedule, so I will put down an appointment box for that. Almost straight. Okay. And then I think Friday I am going to go, a friend asked me to go to the movies today, and then she had to cancel at the last minute because her daughter stayed home sick from school. So she's like, next Friday? And I was like, sure. So yeah, I think we're just going to go see a matinee. Since it's my day off. Extra special bonus day off. Okay. All right. Yeah, so that's most of the things I have to do. Monday, my usual, I will do my usual meal plan, grocery trip, and grocery list. There's not going to be a lot of room for like full box deco. Okay, so that will be that. Tuesday work, I can put some deco there. Wednesday and Thursday, I don't really have anything going on. Thursday will allegedly be trash day, but that's a freaking joke right now because my trash is still sitting out. It's Friday at 4 p.m. and yesterday was trash day. That's kind of a ongoing town drama right now, is that trash is not getting picked up. I don't know what is happening. The trash service we used sold out to another company, a larger company, and now like they just don't pick up trash. So now we just pay for nothing. So that's totally cool. Friday is payday, so I can put down a sticker for that. Thursday I need to do my plan with me. Okay. I'm going to try and just do this kind of stuff around the house this week since I'm not working as much. At least that is the goal. Okay. All right. Yep, Friday payday. Okay, plan with me. All right. Saturday I'm off. We'll do brunch. Love brunch. Big fan of brunch, always. Actually get to spend some time with my husband. Okay, so I'm gonna at least put, let's open this back up. Okay, I can put a full box next to my cleaning box. I could even put some more, I'll put some deco or something there. And then I want to put a full box there. Okay, there's a lot of red on this page, so let's put this. This one's mostly gray. Okay, that's super cute. The little birds. If I can find there's my slice tool. Okay. And then there. How about, can I fit this one? Okay, yeah, that'll work. Okay, that's cute. So yeah, we've kind of used up a lot of space here. What like weird stuff do I get on my planner? I think it's like from putting it like face down on like the table or something. So yeah, we'll just try and to cut that off the top. Ooh, I really like these branches. what if... Okay, that's cute. That's cute. Subtle, not too crazy. I could put another box there, but I think it's Valentine's Day. Let's put these two little birds. Little birdie kissy face. Isn't that cute? Okay, I think I'm going to stop while I'm ahead. Well, stop before it becomes too cluttered, which is like the biggest thing that I think I struggle with this particular planner, is not to let it get too cluttered. So, okay, I will fill in my to-do and my meal plan as we get closer. That's crooked and it's bothering me. I don't even know if that's better. Okay, so yeah, that is my week for Valentine's week. I think it's super cute. I love the colors in this kit and the little birds and the little branches of berries. So thank you for joining me. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day.